Good morning and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. It's Tuesday morning. Last night, the Culinary Expedition continued. I think it was meal 17 for the month of July. We were in Spain. A very colorful meal. Very simple meal. It was actually really good. I prepared pisto, which is a Spanish vegetable stew. I don't know if stew is the right word, but hey, who am I? It was really good. A lot of fun vegetables. It was, basically vegetarian. I topped that off with a poached egg. If you remember my notes from yesterday, this was a La Mancha region version. So yeah, it was good. I'll get the recipe up for you like I always do. Today, day 18, the last day for the Culinary Expedition in the month of July. We're going to the Basque Country, or the Basque region, whichever you want to say. I like country. A lot of people, when they think of Basque food, think of things like lamb. Actually, they're very well known. The area is very well known for its seafood. So tonight, I'm going to be preparing. I am not attempting the Spanish, me and languages. But basically, it translates to fried cod in olive oil served with a roasted pepper sauce. Oh, this is going to be pretty. This is very pretty. I'm also going to be serving that with a Basque-style potatoes. They'll be plated separately. So stay tuned. All right, let's get to it. Hardware is real simple. Saute pan and 2 fry pans. One pan is for the cod, one pan is for the roasted pepper sauce, and the other pan is for the potatoes. Software, cod. I'm using my $2 cod. Olive oil, of course. Sea salt, black pepper, flour. That's for the cod. I have half of a tomato, which is always required for this. The recipe does basically say go ahead and use jarred roasted peppers. So I had some in the cold box. Some Spanish paprika, some onion and garlic. That's for the cod and the sauce. For potatoes, it's onion, garlic, some more olive oil, pimento, obviously some potatoes. I'm using yellow, a little bit of chicken stock, and parsley in both recipes. So here's another look at all the software for tonight's Basque Country dish. So tonight's meal looks really yummy. I can hardly wait to work on this one and get the plating for the cod and the sauce. A lot of recipes I looked at for the Basque, especially for seafood, was for salted cod. I don't know where to get salted cod here in Northern California. So that's why we're going this way. All right, so on this Tuesday, have a tremendous day. Eat great food and have fun cooking.